Hi guys, welcome to yet another video, and today we are going to do some shopping in the garden. So I grabbed some basket and let's go shopping in the garden. The first thing I'm going to grab is some tomatoes from here. This is a little bit ripe. One is so red. Oh, I think I'm going to get this one for salad. So this one, maybe I have to take them out or so and just keep them in the house for them to ripen in the house. Now more tomatoes here. What a great way to live, just harvesting. Here I'm first going to harvest the lettuce. The best looking is I'm eating them every day. So I take the outer leaves to ensure that it continues to grow. Oh, this looks very fresh. The salad tonight. So this lettuce was just planted some few weeks ago, but then I've been having problem with the chicken. They've been eating my lettuce, so that's why I'm using the net now to cover them up. Oh, to the basket. The basket is almost full. Looking nice colors. This small because since we are a lot, we need a bit of salad even for our bread. Yeah. This one want to flower, so I'm going to show you when it gave me some flowers and seed. I think I'll keep this one for the seed. I'll water it less so that it will give me some seed. Some call it bolting. I've over harvested my herbs. And here is my favorite herb. I've been trying to grow it for a long time, but now finally it's growing. This is drill. This is coriander. And then this is little parsley. This is bolted Chinese cabbage, nice looking flowers, and I'm going to get some seed. This is the bolted onion, nice looking flower. I think they're about to dry. This is the white onion though. Here I'm going to take some chili. So love green chili. These are the round one. And I have to take my parsley. Just to use it for garnishing. This is parsley. The mulch just keep on catching it. This is parsley. I'm going to show you the difference between parsley and coriander, because since a lot of people don't know the difference. I'm going to put them all side by side, then you will be able to differentiate them. And coriander have a very strong smell, very strong. Parsley have a light smell. So this is coriander and this is parsley. So parsley, coriander. Into the basket. And these are nasturtium flowers. They are all edible. Have two colors. Have the pink one. I mean the orange one. This one. I've been eating them in the salad. Then I have the yellow one. Yellow nasturtium flower, and their leaves are also edible. They're nice for salad, but I'm not picking any for today. This nasturtium flower, I'll just put next to my salad since I'm going to add it to the salad. And then we have the green onions here. I mean the garlic chives. I'm going to harvest them with my hands because I cannot find my scissor. They are all over here. Good to eat raw or cooked. I took some leaf here. These are the chives. I think I have more herbs than other food. Then yes, we pass here by the chili. We are going to my favorite herb. This is oregano. So many options. I'm a little sad looking. Oh, good. Oregano have flowers. Oh, look at the oregano flowers. Oh, never started the flowers. Oh, this is my other herb. I'm not harvesting that today. It's too tiny. Let's here to another herb. This is thyme. I planted this one myself. I don't need so much of it. Just a little bit. Oof, doesn't want to cut off. And here we go back to my basket with the other herb. So we got to our sad looking basil, pepper basil, this one. So I'm going to take some for the nice looking basket. I think I have to cut some flowers. I have sunflower there blooming. I have these are the dwarf marigold. And then I have zinnia here all over. This is my final basket. I found a random egg from my chicken coop, and then just produces and some flowers. Didn't show you guys when I went to pick up some flowers. So these are zinnia flowers. Have the pink, light pink, and dark pink. So these are for my office. And then just random stuff. An onion. Let me show you everything that I picked. An onion, some nasturtium flowers, herbs. I don't want this one to break. This pepper basil, oregano, chives, coriander, parsley, some lettuce leaves, yellow green pepper, unripe red pepper, some tomatoes, a lot of them.